Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Been a day. It's been a day. So, just to go over why it's been a day. Since you asked. It was this morning, the alarm goes off and I get up and I'm gonna go make my coffee and get cat downstairs. The cat's looking at me on the couch like, what are you doing? And I'm like, get up, lazy. You need to go downstairs. Dog's coming, right? So I scoot him down the stairs, but he's pissed. I go get the dog. I take the dog out, get my coffee, sit down on the couch to answer your questions or answer your comments on all your YouTube. That's what I do in the morning. Answer. And I notice on my phone, it says that my alarm is snoozed. So I flip it out. I open it to shut the alarm off. It's 5 a.m., not 5:30. There are two alarms set, one for 5 and one for 5 a.m. I still have no idea how that happened. But I was up at the butt crack of dawn. It was really dark. And I thought, it's really dark because it's going to snow today. It snowed 7 inches, by the way. It wasn't snowing when I woke up at 5, but by 6 a.m., there was already a good coating on the ground. It was coming down fast and hard. So I got Victoria to school, and by that time, already slip sliding. I mean, we're talking an hour and a half after it started. And then I sat all day, and I could see out the window, and it snowed, and snowed, and then it snowed some more, and it just kept going. So I stayed in the office and did my work, and they're really super nice though, because they're like, if you feel like you want to go home, you should go home. I don't want you to feel unsafe being here. And they were really nice about it. But all I kept thinking was, well, at this point, I'm screwed anyway. I mean, the roads are going to be bad if I leave now or if I leave later. It's going to be a stressful drive home. On the way there, though, got halfway there. I dropped Victoria off, got up to like I had already been on the road about a half hour. Got in behind a snowplow and it followed it all the way to work. 40 miles an hour. Nobody could pass them. There were cars, so many cars coming, nobody could pass it. I was like, this is perfect for me because I just want to drive slow in the snow. But everybody gets all bent out of shape and starts pushing and pushing and pushing. I'm like, this is how people get killed. Anyway, I'm going to finish this today. Mostly because I got another project that I didn't even show you guys from that thrift haul, and I want to finish that. I want to get that painted too, but I started painting it. I never finished it. This is the magic gray. It's not green. Why does everybody who sees this say it's green? It's gray. You see it's gray, right? Does that look gray to you? It's not green. Okay. And the other day at the thrift store, the one that has the snacks, this was $4. It's good, right? Except the multicolors. I like the black. I'm going to paint the shelves. So I'm going to tape this off and just paint the shelves because I think it'll look super duper cute, and I bought a new paint. Because if you saw all the paint on the floor over here, you'd think she really needs more paint, right? Yeah, she really don't. She just really wanted new paint. I wanted more all-in-one paint. This all-in-one paint, they have it on Amazon. I fell in love with this paint. I used the Mediterranean blue to do that buffet, and I fell in love with the self-leveling, The fact that I don't have to clear coat it. It's got a primer built in. It was so nice. So this is what we're going to use on it. And this is Irish Garden. So I want to finish this so I can get to that because I'm not allowing myself. My sticky brain wants to jump to the thing that I want to do the most and not finish this because this is boring now. Like, boring. Let's go to the fun project. Let's start taping up. No. I have like 3 Christmas crafting projects that I've started and have not finished. I've even started filming them for you guys and not finished. Let's finish the footstool. Started that first. So I don't want to be in another situation where I have projects over my head and they're all half done. So this is the gray. It's gray, not green. Not green. No, I'm calling it green. Everybody online's like, what color green is that? And I said, it's not. It's gray. What color is it? Just tell me the color. Gray. Y'all. Sometimes I'm not super polite. Do we thicken up? A little bit. I may have to buy this color again, though. I may actually have to break down and buy paint. After I just said I bought paint, I'm like, oh, I don't have to break down and buy paint. Yes, I heard myself. I did hear myself when I said it. All right. You know, it's not too thick. Let you mix it a little bit. I'm gonna mix it. It's all good. And it's still gray. We're getting late in the night. So I came home, made dinner. So I want to get at least a couple coats on it before I go to bed tonight. So I got a video for you guys too because I had no video. Now I'm not moving on. Oh, does this whole thing come apart? That would make this wicked easy. Oh, it comes apart. The black can stay black, y'all. I was gonna tape it, but no. These come apart. It's so much easier. Love this. We'll have to reinforce it though. So I just have to paint these discs now. I'm not moving on. I coated the inside and I did a second coat to the outside on some places that needed it. I'm not moving on. I haven't even cleaned my brush. We're okay. But look at this. Good, I can sand it too because look, it's a little rough. But, and look, somebody painted over the last price tag. Don't do that. There's undo for a reason. Now you just made it 1,000,000 times worse by leaving that price tag there. Kind of barbarian, just paints over the... Well, I'm gonna have to deal with that. It's not right. It is not right, y'all. Some people's children. Some people shouldn't have children. Just not right. Oh my God, the whole thing comes apart. I've never been so happy something comes apart in my whole life. I was not looking forward to painting underneath these spindles and between the spindles because I wanted to leave them black. I like the black. I think they were originally, I don't know, they probably would. Who knows at this point? But look at this nasty, dirty. I gotta clean that off. Wonder what color it was before they did this to it. I don't love this color. Last part. Boom. Boom. And last spindle. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, I found it. I found it. That'd be one thing I'd like roll under a dresser. I can sand that now. Must have been wood before they painted it. It's pretty nasty. I can't sand it right now because I got paint drying in here. So I think this is the project for when the paint's dry. Thursday, I go to Vintage Junkie, so I can't paint that day. Friday, I watch my nephew in the morning, and I might be able to paint when I get home because my daughter has after-school activities. I'm gonna be till like 7 o'clock at night. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get some time, so this is probably gonna be a Friday thing. Maybe I have time tomorrow. Was it archery tomorrow? Archery tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. But tonight, hopefully this is the last coat on that. And I see some touch up. There's gonna be some touch up. It was raw wood and a dark paint. See? That's coming off. We're gonna find a way to get this one off. Animals. I've had a lot of questions lately on whether or not you have to seal spray paint. I did that ceramic video. No. If it's going to be indoors, you absolutely don't have to clear coat it. The angel that I spray painted in that video has sat outside for 2 years, and it's gone down to 40 below and up over 100 degrees in the summer, and it finally started cracking this summer. I was waiting. Like, how long would this stay if I don't take it in the winter? Because I wanted to know. It's like an experiment. Yes, I'm constantly experimenting with crap. I wanted to know. I'm like, every year we have to take all this stuff in. And a lot of it breaks because of the cold. So like a lot of the terracotta pots and stuff like that, if it's 40 below, yeah, they're going to shatter. They crack. And then it warms up in the summer and they just crumble and fall apart. But I wasn't sure on the ceramic angel if that was going to be the same deal. So I just left it outside. And I wanted to know if the paint would stay on it. No. It took 2 years though. That's pretty good. I think that's really good. Because if I was taking that in and out every winter, like in the fall, just put it away in the shed like I do everything else, probably wouldn't have a problem. The shed is near a building, so the temperature in it doesn't get as cold as like the outside temperatures. So there's like little, its own micro, what do they call it? Micro something, where the temperature, like on your porch, it's warmer than standing outside on the ground. I don't know the technical name for it, but I know it exists. Just trust me. I'm a scientist. Okay, so anyway, if I had brought it in and put it in the shed where it was warmer, or put it in the garage where it's warmer, then we would not have, absolutely would not have had a problem with that paint. I think it would still be holding on. I don't think it would have cracked by now. Because it literally just started cracking on the top. And it's been through hailstorms and tornadoes. It didn't get picked up in the tornado, but it's straight line winds. I mean, it's sat out there. The little angel just sat there. So no, you don't have to clear coat over spray paint. And sometimes if you do, the clear coat that you get will be yellowed. Ooh, not good. Like I have some clear coats I write on them. Yellows like crazy because I can't stand. Then you're doing white and you put what you think is a clear coat because it says clear coat and it's just yellow. Just yellows. I won't curse. But this is the only thing I'm going to get done today because it's super late at night. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.